Hey everybody, we just wanted to make a quick announcement about rebranding of this channel. We have moved the morning show over to the Wood Whisperer channel, just the primary main channel. Right, Nicole?
Yeah.
And I've decided that this channel I'm going to use for my barbecue stuff. So if you're not interested, no harm done, no hurt feelings.
Kids.
Oh, it's gross. It's covered in dirt. You're subscribed here because you probably like a little bit of the off-topic goofiness and stuff that happens on the morning show. So you might be interested in the barbecue stuff. If not, that's fine. We're still friends.
But you can head on over to the Wood Whisperer, the main channel. A few people had been asking about memberships, so we finally set those up over there.
Yep.
And we're doing the live show over there too.
Every Friday, same show, same thing, just on the other channel.
In case you tuned him out.
Some people do that. But I just want to make sure you know that this is happening because I don't want to bait and switch anybody. But I also don't want to let a perfectly good channel just kind of languish.
Wither
So
on the vine.
Yeah, so instead of withering, I'm going to hang some sweet meat off of it and see what happens. So if you like barbecue, stay tuned.